everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Takenoko Gohan. Takenoko is bamboo shoot and Gohan is rice. So Takenoko Gohan is rice cooked with bamboo shoot. Fresh bamboo shoot is available only in early spring. Whenever I get fresh bamboo shoot, I always make this Takenoko Gohan. Today I'm using fresh bamboo shoot, but you can also do this with canned or jarred bamboo shoot. Let's get started. These are what you need. 3 cups of rice, rinsed and soaked in 3 cups of water for half an hour. Takenoko bamboo shoot, it's about 300 grams. Aburage, deep fried tofu, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sake, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons instant dashi, Japanese instant soup stock. I'm cutting takenoko first. Just cut it into bite size, small bite size. This is the size of takenoko. Now I'm cutting aburage, but aburage is deep fried, so it's kind of greasy. To remove excess oil, put it between kitchen paper like this and press it. You can see how much oil you can remove. Let's cut in half this way and then slice. Here I have 3 cups of rice, rinsed and soaked in 3 cups of water for half an hour. Rice and water is always 1-to-1, so 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. And because I'm adding 4 tablespoons of liquid seasoning, I'm removing 4 tablespoons of water from here. 4 tablespoons water removed, so let's add these seasonings. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sake, 2 teaspoons instant dashi, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it. And I'm adding these takenoko and aburage. Put the lid on and turn the heat on and bring it to boil. Now I see some bubbles and steam coming out from the pot. So it's boiling. I'm going to turn the heat to low, really low, and cook it for 12 minutes. It's been cooked for 12 minutes over low heat and then steamed for 10 minutes with the heat off. Let's see how it looks. Let's mix and fluff. Serve in the rice bowl. And Takenoko Gohan is ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.